Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to paint a beautiful yellow flower and I have a story to tell. I saw these beautiful flowers, they become inspiration for this artwork, but I wanted to add my own flavor to it. So I modified the composition by mixing these two photographs into one. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end to see the final artwork and to catch up with tips and tricks that I shared. I am starting creating a base layer with a very diluted lemon yellow color. I am leaving those spaces where I want to create extreme highlight. Till the time lemon yellow color is wet, I am adding next color, which is Gamboge Hue color, and this is called wet on wet wash, as you are adding next color when the first color is still wet. Here is tip number 1. For wet on wet wash, if your first color is dried up till the time you add next color, then you need to smooth the crisp edges just like I did with clean wet brush. But make sure to remove the excess water when you clean the brush and then smooth the crisp edges. Also, this tip is for small areas. Now I am giving a wet on wet wash with concentrated colors. I am using yellow ochre, a little bit of green and red to show darker values. Here is tip number 2. While adding layers, leave the spaces where you want to keep the highlight. Now I am adding the final layer where I am working on the details. I have created loose watery dots on the front side of the petals, and when it got dried up, I created small defined dots with little darker color in the middle curve of flower petals. Here I am painting the other flower in the same way I did for the first one. Now I am painting a leaf with the base layer of green color. I am giving a wet on wet wash with colors like Sap Green, Lemon Yellow and Prussian Blue. Here is tip number 3. Keep adding colors till the time your paper is wet. Do not add more colors when you see that paper has dried out, because adding colors will give crisp edges. Here I am adding first layer with concentrated colors in the same way I did the base layer. I am adding darker values at the joints of the leaves where light is not reaching. For the background, I am randomly splashing colors with the lighter value, and later on I will add darker value. Since I wanted a very easy and flowy background, I think this is a great way to add interesting element. Guys, I would be really happy to see your recreation. Do tag me on my Instagram handle and I will feature you in my coming YouTube video and Instagram stories. And here is the final outcome. Guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And do share your questions and feedback in the comment section. I would be really happy to answer. Thanks for watching. Bye.